In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign on Adobe PDF. Whether you're new to Adobe or simply need a refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process with ease. First, make sure to have a web browser open. Type in the URL for Adobe Sign and press Enter. This will take you to Adobe's digital signing platform, which is designed to make document management simpler and more efficient. Once you're on the Adobe Sign webpage, you'll need to log in to access the full range of features. Use your existing Adobe ID and password. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to set one up by following the prompts for new users. After logging in, you're ready to begin managing your PDFs. Next, locate the Fill and Sign tool. Within this section, you'll have the option to choose an existing file from your documents list or upload a new one directly from your computer. Select the document you wish to sign. This step effectively opens a workspace where you can manipulate the PDF. With your document open, the next step is to click the e-sign button. This is the gateway to actually adding your signature to the document. After clicking, select Add Signature to start the signing process. This is an essential step in creating your digital signature. Now, you get to choose how you'd like your signature to appear. Adobe gives you three options. You can type your signature, draw it using your mouse or stylus, or upload an image of your handwritten signature. If you choose to type, Adobe will convert your name into a stylized signature. If you opt to draw or upload, follow the on-screen instructions to ensure your signature looks just right. After creating your signature, click Apply. This will prepare the signature for placement on your document. Navigate to the spot on your PDF where you want the signature to appear, and with a simple click, it's placed. This step is crucial for ensuring proper alignment and placement within your document. If needed, you can easily drag and drop the signature to adjust its position, making sure it lands exactly where you want it. This added flexibility allows for final adjustments before completing the signing process. Finally, save your signed PDF file. Look for the Save icon or option usually found in the toolbar. This ensures that your newly signed document is saved and stored, ready for sending or archiving. Congratulations! You've successfully signed a PDF using Adobe Sign. By following these steps, you can easily manage and sign documents digitally, saving time and reducing paper usage. Thank you for watching, and happy signing!